Understanding business terms in a business glossary for data governance. In the context of data governance, the creation and maintenance of a business glossary is a fundamental practice. A business glossary is a comprehensive repository that defines and standardizes business terms used across an organization. This glossary is pivotal for ensuring consistent communication, reducing ambiguity, and fostering a unified understanding of data. This article explores the concept of business terms within a business glossary in the context of data governance, explaining their significance and how they contribute to an effective data governance framework. What is a business glossary? A business glossary is a centralized collection of terms, definitions, and descriptions relevant to an organization's business operations. Unlike a data dictionary, which focuses on the technical aspects of data, like data types and structures, a business glossary emphasizes the business context and meaning of terms. It serves as a reference point for all stakeholders, ensuring everyone speaks the same language when discussing business concepts and data. Importance of business terms in data governance. 1. Consistency and clarity. Business terms in a glossary provide a single source of truth for definitions. This consistency is crucial for ensuring that all departments and teams interpret terms in the same way, reducing misunderstandings and errors. 2. Data quality. Clear definitions help in maintaining high data quality by ensuring that data is captured, processed, and analyzed uniformly across the organization. This uniformity is essential for accurate reporting and analytics. 3. Regulatory compliance. Many industries have stringent regulations regarding data usage and reporting. A well-maintained business glossary helps ensure that the organization complies with these regulations by providing clear definitions and usage guidelines for sensitive terms. 4. Effective communication. A common vocabulary facilitates better communication among stakeholders, including business users, data analysts, and IT professionals. It bridges the gap between technical and business language, making it easier to collaborate on data-related projects. Conclusion. Business terms within a business glossary are fundamental to effective data governance. They provide a standardized vocabulary that enhances communication, ensures data quality, and supports regulatory compliance. By creating and maintaining a comprehensive business glossary, organizations can foster a culture of data governance, enabling better decision-making and achieving strategic business objectives. As data continues to be a critical asset, the importance of a well-defined business glossary in the data governance framework cannot be overstated. I'm on the data side. Which side are you on?